To enable or disable circle to search on Realme 14T, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit until you find system and update. After that you should be able to go to system navigation, and then here if you scroll down you should be able to find circle to search. Whether you are using buttons or gestures, it doesn't really matter. So in that case we can tap on this switcher in order to turn it on or off. There is also a small information for those who are using gestures for navigation. In order to be able to use circle to search over here, we need to make sure that the guide bar, which is this line over here, needs to be disabled. This bar, this handle that we have at the bottom of the screen. So in that case, I believe if you actually try to turn it on, it will appear. So that's pretty much it. In order to activate, to start using circle to search, we can press and hold the home button if you use the buttons for navigation, and if you use gestures, then in this case we need to press and hold that navigation bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.